Keeping track of your blood pressure is an important part of monitoring your health. Now, you can do it reliably and easily from the comfort of your own home with the Dr. Trust Smart Heart Blood Pressure Monitor. Lightweight and portable, the Dr. Trust EU certified and FDA approved monitor is simple and easy to use, boasting a fully automatic blood pressure monitoring experience. The gentle pumping action and advanced fuzzy algorithm technology means you can record your blood pressure in comfort and safety, with the unique design programmed to prevent overpumping and provide optimal measuring pressures for accurate results. The results are displayed on a unique Zebra Lights backlit display, which is easy to read and looks superb. Just insert 4 AA batteries, replace the back cover, and you're ready to go. Alternatively, you can use a micro USB cable, which comes with your standard Android smartphone, to power the device with any USB-compatible power source, and save money on buying batteries again and again. If you've chosen a language, the device will vocalize your results in English, Spanish, or German with the clever built-in speaker. If the voice output bothers you, it can be turned off. You can also choose your language settings by pressing and holding the on button for 3 seconds, and cycling through English, Spanish, German, or mute using the memory button. If you'd like to record data for multiple users at set times and dates, access the menu by pressing and holding the time button for 3 seconds, using the memory button to choose user 1 or 2. Press time again to enter the year, date, and time of day, pressing the memory button to adjust the settings, and time to set your choice. Attach the pump cable to the base unit and open the cuff, placing it on your left upper arm, around 2 centimeters from the bend of your elbow. Secure the cuff in place with a snug fit, but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers between the cuff and your arm. Lay the arm on a flat surface, with the palm facing upwards. Support the arm if required with a cushion, so that the cuff rests at about the same height as the heart. Take care that the cuff lies free. Remain so for 2 minutes, sitting quietly before beginning with the measurement. Let your legs be uncrossed, feet flat on the floor, and your back and arms supported. Turn the device on, and the cuff will begin to inflate. When a reading has been taken, you'll see your systolic and diastolic blood pressure values shown on the clear LCD display with a heart rate value at the bottom. You'll also see a traffic light marker on the left of the screen, indicating whether your results are optimal, need consultation, or need urgent assistance. You can recall your results at any time by pressing the memory button, where you can cycle through up to 120 past readings for 2 separate users. This unit also features an abnormal heart rhythm detector. If an abnormal rhythm is detected, a heartbeat icon will show. Regular displays of this icon should be checked thoroughly by your doctor. You can refer to the handbook at any time for further details on your blood pressure results. Stay on top of your health reliably and easily wherever you are with the Dr. Trust Smart Heart Blood Pressure Monitor.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.